Hi, my name is Kelly Grace Thomas, and I am so excited to bring you from Brainstorm to Book Deal, 30 days to create your poetry chapbook. This course is a fun, exciting, supportive environment where we go over tips and tricks, things that I like to call poetry hacks, to transform your craft and career. There are a couple different elements that help kickstart your poetry in this course. The first is a 30-day workbook. The workbook comes with a writing, revision, and submission prompt for every day. That's 90 prompts in total. It also comes with craft essays and graphic organizers to help you apply some of the exercises we'll learn throughout the course. The next thing is the course meets twice a week for the whole entire month. So we have 8 live sessions over Zoom where I share all of the different things I've learned, plus we have live Q&A. In addition to that, it comes with a one-on-one editing session where you and I will sit and look deeply and closely at your work to talk about themes, to talk about style, and to get rid of any blocks that you feel like might be standing in your way. I really hope that you'll join me from Brainstorm to Book Deal. Here's what some other students have to say about the course.
Hi, my name is Kamari, and I participated in Kelly Grace Thomas's From Brainstorm to Book Deal course, and it was honestly the best thing I could have done for myself as an aspiring poet and author. I am a much better poet and literary citizen after taking Kelly's class because she totally equips the total writer.
Hello, my name is Raul Herrera, and I was a recent participant in Kelly Grace Thomas's workshop From Brainstorm to Book Deal, 30 days to create your own chapbook. And to be honest, I kind of created 2. That's how amazing the class was. Kelly is a fantastic teacher. She has so much information and knowledge about submitting, about editing, about writing, about content creation, all of the above. I would highly recommend this class, so check it out.
Hi everyone! I was a participant in Kelly's class From Brainstorm to Book Deal, and it was one of the most inspiring poetry classes I've ever taken. Kelly obviously cares so deeply about each and every one of her students, and that comes through with the precision and detail she takes in every single class. I can't recommend Kelly as a teacher highly enough. If you have the opportunity to learn with her, take it.
Much more organized. So instead of all of my poems being everywhere, I learned how to organize them and just really take my craft to the next level and to a professional level. Kelly's very professional, very serious about poetry. And I feel like if anyone wants to go to the next level and really improve as a writer and even as a person, I say sign up for this class like yesterday.
One thing that stood out to me in particular was how she taught us to edit and to look at our work with fresh eyes was so valuable, because a lot of times when you are writing your own work, you don't see mistakes. You don't even see sometimes repetitions of words and things that have already been said and what need to come out. So that was truly the best part of the whole experience with Kelly's class.
I have had the privilege of studying under Kelly Grace Thomas for the last 4 years. And in this time, my confidence has grown, my pen has sharpened, and I feel much more comfortable submitting to journals. I highly recommend this course to you if you are looking to become a published poet, or if you're simply just looking to build a poetry community that is supportive and feels like a family, or you're just looking to read great poems, because Kelly is an excellent resource. I can't recommend this course enough, and enjoy.
So join me for From Brainstorm to Book Deal. It's time to give your poetry the love and attention it deserves.